What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. In this video, what I want to do is break down an incredibly easy affiliate marketing traffic formula that you can use starting today to go out there, get traffic, and start to generate the commissions and sales you truly want. Now, you can see on the screen right here that total paid. Okay, this is just one affiliate program that I've been promoting. You can see I've already generated $16,615. So you're going to be learning from someone, okay, that's actually generating income. You can see right here on the leaderboard. Now, this is a specific affiliate system and all-time leaders, okay, you can see right here, the most referrals. I am number 4 out of thousands and thousands of people. You can see that I've referred 415 people, okay? So as you watch this video very closely, what I'm gonna do is hop on a whiteboard online in a second and break down this entire simple affiliate marketing traffic formula so you know exactly how to get traffic and again, start to get the results you want. Now, before I dive into this though, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, this video is assuming that you already have a high converting funnel or product that you're actually promoting. If you don't yet, be sure to go to the first link below, get my free video revealing my #1 affiliate system that gives you all the capture pages, follow-up emails, and products done for you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this affiliate marketing formula. Now, the reason I love affiliate marketing is because the back end part, if you find a good affiliate system, is done for you, okay? Often you're gonna get access to a very good capture page, okay, which allows you to promote your link and have someone put their email in. That's gonna redirect to a good high converting sales video, okay, as you can see on the right side. And then what's gonna happen is when they put their email in on that capture page, some people are not gonna buy instantly with that sales video. And so you'll have follow-up emails, okay, day 1, day 2, day 3, going back. And what those emails will do is they'll go out to those leads. And in the email, there'll be a link back to the sales video, following up, doing multiple exposures until that person's ready to buy. And when they do buy, okay, you're gonna be able to generate money, okay? Now, but what I wanna cover in this video is the traffic formula, because again, if you have a good affiliate system, all this on the right should be done for you. And all you have to do each day, in about 30 to 60 minutes a day, if you're using the right formulas, is just get as many high quality people to your capture page. And again, everything else will be done for you, okay? So what is the affiliate marketing traffic formula? Well, it's right here on the left side, okay? So there's really 2 types of traffic. There's free traffic, and then there's paid traffic. And what I'm gonna do in this video is break down how to determine what type of traffic you actually should use. And again, how it actually works so you can start to generate the amount of sales you want, okay? So free traffic. Now, what I wanna ask you is, do you have a lot of free time, but not a ton of money? Okay, think about your situation right now as you're watching this video. Are you someone that maybe you have a lot of free time? You find yourself kind of bored, you find yourself sitting around all day, you have a lot of free time, but maybe you don't have a lot of extra money. Well, free traffic is what I recommend you start with, okay? Because what you can do is use your time, invest your time into generating sales and traffic. So what places can we get free traffic? Well, there's Facebook, okay? There's Twitter, there's Instagram, there's YouTube, right? Mainly social media. So if you think about social media, right? You think about, again, TikTok, okay, Snapchat, any place that is a social media platform, you can go there and you can start to generate traffic. Now, with free traffic, basically what you're gonna wanna do is post ads, okay? So these are simple posts. It could be on a Facebook story, it could be an Instagram photo, and what these posts are designed to do is induce curiosity, okay? You don't wanna make a post on Facebook and say, hey, I just joined this exact, product or program, and give the exact name and give away too much information, because we want people to build curiosity. We want people to wonder what exactly we're doing. So they're going to want to ask us for more information. And when they do, now you can send them the link to your capture page. Okay, so again, all you have to do, a lot of people ask me, Garrett, I don't have time to do this. I don't have a lot of time. Well, it really takes about 60 minutes max per day, because all you have to do is make a few posts online, add a few friends, gain a few followers. And if you do that consistently and you just send your capture page link to people that are interested, again, if you have a good affiliate system set up, it will do all the telling and selling for you, and you can just focus on getting people to your link, okay? Now, again, free traffic, if you have a lot of free time, not a ton of money. Now, paid traffic, okay? So paid traffic is basically anything where you're investing your money to get clicks to your website, okay? So do you have more money but not a lot of time? A lot of people that watch my videos, I know they're working a job, right? Maybe a 9 to 5, maybe they're in an office all day, or maybe they're working 2 jobs, or they have a big family at home and they just don't have time to create YouTube videos or to write blog posts or to make posts on Facebook. They don't have a lot of time. Well, for that situation, I recommend you start with paid traffic. Okay, what is paid traffic? Again, there's many different types out there. Anytime you're investing your money into a form of traffic that will give you clicks to your capture page, that is paid traffic. So some of my favorite examples, okay, solo ads. Okay, so you can go to a site called udemy.com. In fact, at the time of recording, I just did a video on how to use Udemy. Okay, I may put a card on the video. I have a full breakdown. Bing ads, okay, these are basically search ads. So when someone goes to Bing, which is like a Google, like a Yahoo, and they type in, how to make money online, you can have your ad or your website basically appear at the top search results. Okay, so people will find your website, they'll click it, and now they'll get taken to your capture page. If it's high converting, they'll put their email in, and again, this process will continue. Traffic authority, okay, I've done videos of traffic authority. Traffic authority is actually right here, okay, so you can actually make money referring people, but you can also just go to the traffic store, okay, right here, and you can purchase high quality clicks. Okay, and then you could put your capture page link right here. You can add a debit or credit card, and then you can agree to terms and place order. And within a day or so, you'll start getting high quality clicks. And Craigslist, okay, I've used Craigslist in the past. I may put another card on the video if you want to learn my Craigslist method on how to get tons of traffic. Okay, it's usually about $15 to $20 to make a Craigslist ad, and it runs for, could up to a week, still be bringing you traffic, okay? So now that you understand how to, use this formula for traffic, whether or not you should do free traffic or paid traffic. Now I want to share with you one more bonus tip, okay, which I learned from a multimillionaire many years ago, and I've kept this in mind for years. And I want to pull back the curtain and expose this formula for you because I want you to get as many results as possible. So after you're sending traffic to your capture page, okay, they're going to the sales video, they're getting sent these follow-up emails back to the sales video, and they're buying, okay, they're actually investing money, you're making sales, okay, and if you follow my training, I have training on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. If you follow my traffic training, you will start making sales. And once you start making sales, here's the bonus formula. What you want to do is I highly recommend you take about 30% of profit, okay? So if you make, $100, you take $30 and now you invest it back into paid ads and traffic, okay? And that will continue this amazing cycle and traffic formula. So again, you use traffic initially to get people to go through the funnel. They buy, okay? When they buy right here, you take 30% of that money and you invest it back into paid traffic, and that cycle just continues. And that is how you're able to scale. That is how you're able to really start generating, even up to $1,000 a day online, working about an hour a day or less, okay? This formula is incredibly powerful, and I hope you enjoyed learning this. If you did, be sure to click the like button below. Let me know to make more of these. Also subscribe if you haven't already with the bell notification, okay, so you can be notified. And last but not least, this formula works, but you have to have a good system in place. You have to have a good follow-up, good funnel. If you don't have that yet, be sure to go to the first link under this video, put your best email into my website, and I'll be sure to share with you a free video walking you through my #1 recommended affiliate system that I'm personally using that you can use traffic with to pump out sales and money very, very easily. Okay, so go down below. Without further ado, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.